Anthony from Imagine Your Dream. We're just on our way to Murphy's Point Provincial Park, just off for gas. So we should be there in a couple hours, so see you in a bit. Okay, we made it to Murphy's Point Provincial Park. We are just kind of right across from the lake here. Awesome site, really level. We're on site 55. So yeah, no problem setting up. It's a pull through, so easy basically. So just took a little while to get set up and organized because we are here for 5 days, so totally looking forward to that. Anyways, time to have a bev, crack open a couple beers and get relaxing. Oh, we got our site hooked up here with our Canadian flags. And I got some on the back side of the trailer too. Got a flag in between the trees. Happy Canada Day weekend. Yeah, so our site is awesome. Definitely feels darker than what it is. Sorry, I'm just watching where I'm walking. But because you're actually in the woods camping, other than different than like Emily Park or the ones closer to home, it's definitely different. But let me just give you a shot of the lake here. What we're going to be looking at here in a second. So have a look at this. Just beautiful. So calm. I don't believe there's any motorboats allowed in this lake, to my knowledge anyways. There's kayak rentals and canoe rentals here at the park, so we're definitely going to be doing that this weekend. But just so picturesque. Love it. So a few things to keep in mind when you're hiking the trail. Bring some bug dope. You're gonna definitely need that. Lots of mosquitoes. Hiking boots if you want. It is quite some good terrain. It's part of the Canadian Shield. And the other thing is you might want a bug net for your head if you don't like the mosquitoes or whatever. But and lastly, the biggest one is watch out for the snakes. There's black rat snakes in here. They're Canada's largest snake. They go up to about 2.5 meters in length. So they hang from the trees and they're on the forest edge. So just watch out on the trails. You don't it doesn't startle you. They're not venomous, but they're constrictors. So anyways, a little piece of information for you. So we're heading back to the truck and head back to the campsite now. So we're just out walking the dogs and just walking through some of the tented area sites. Some of them are pretty good. This is a wide open park. There's your neighbor's not very close to you, the site next to you, so which is really cool. Anyway, here's site number 4. Kind of up high, big old rock there. And as we come down the road here, you can see some of the different tent sites. That's site number 3. Kind of cool. That's what you're into, tenting. It was really nice getting here on Thursday and watching everybody pull in today, so super cool getting here early and getting to be able to enjoy the weekend a bit more. Another really nice playground area for the kids. Nice and clean, all wood chips. As I mentioned in some of the other videos I put out, that there are always some nice playgrounds for the kids in our provincial parks. And just beyond that, there is a picnic shelter, as you can see. And this is the beach area. Not overly huge, but lots of nice grassy area to do some badminton and have a picnic or whatnot. So, and there's canoe and kayak rentals as well at the park. Saturday morning, just up in Adam here. We're going to get some breakfast going. I'm just doing up some veg and eggs for brekkie. Anyways, about site 55. Let me just give you a little look-see here. So I'm just out on the road. So here's the site. Ours is flat, fairly flat to park the trailer. So if you're coming in with your trailer, ours is 30 feet, as I've mentioned in the past, but if you haven't watched any of the videos, now you know. So it fits in nicely. Some of these sites in here, and you got to really be careful because a lot of them are slanted. If you look right where my finger is, right through there, that's all really slanted. But up along right there, nice and flat. So just keep a good look when you're going to book here, because some of them are deceiving. When you get walking around, you'll see exactly which ones are sloped. But anyways, 55 is good. Big enough, goes all the way, get all the way in those trees to part of your site, so it's good for the dogs. So we're in between two roads. So this is the back side of the site. You can see the trailer. My trailer actually looks crooked, but it's not. It's completely flat, level. This gives you a bit of an idea what Site 55 looks like. Obviously it's the Canada Day long weekend, so you gotta represent. We're heading into Perth now to check out the farmers market and do a little tour around, so come along. We are in Perth and Heather's in at the farmers market, where I'm just hanging out with the dogs, so we can't bring them in there. So we're just hanging out at a park by like a canal here. It's very nice. There's a nice canal that runs through the town, and straight ahead of you is a bar, restaurant. It's called Mexico. Right on the water. Patio. Sweet. Alright, we're done with hanging around Perth now, so we're going to head back to the truck and head back to the campsite. So, nice town. Stopped at a nice little coffee shop, which was fun. So, dogs are ready to head back. They're getting a little hot down here, so we're out of here. We are on our way to Barhaven, which is just outside of Ottawa, to the fair. My sister's working at the fair. But on our way there, stopped at in front of my high school. I haven't been here since probably 1980-81, which is a long time ago, so it's pretty nostalgic for myself to come to my old hometown and see where I used to live and come visit the high school. So pretty cool stuff for me, that's for sure. We are at the Barhaven Fair. Just thought we'd pull in here and check it out. A little small town fair, and my sister's actually working in the cotton candy booth there, a side job for her, so we're just gonna have a little chat with her for a little bit. Okay, we are done with the fair and we're heading back to the trailer campsite. That takes about an hour and a half to get back, so that was fun. Had a nice visit with my sister. Now we're gonna go back and see what we can get into. So I'm just down at the beach area at the park. It's really nice. There's a nice big grassy area here, and obviously the sandy beach part. Beautiful lake, nice and calm, not very big. No motorboats on this lake. And you can have canoe rentals and kayak rentals. You have to go up to the park store to prepay for it, and then they give you a key and you come down and get your canoe or kayak to tool around the lake. So a lot of fun. A lot of families down here today for Canada Day. Happy Canada Day to my fellow Canadians out there. They're doing a barbecue, and then they're doing a big birthday cake for Canada's 152nd birthday. So I'll show you around the beach a little bit here. So we're just down at the water. If you walk across the street around Site 55 and just go down an embankment, through the woods just a little bit, like about a 1 minute walk. This is the view you get. You can put your lawn chairs down here, bring some DB suds with you, and checking out the view. Now that's paradise. Get the lake all to yourself. Nice little quiet spot. Definitely worth it. Alright, we're just on a little bit of a walkabout now with the dogs. Just checking out some sites. Site number 31 is super flat and deep. Really deep actually. But I think by looking at it without getting too nosy, it's a 15 amp. So I guess if you aren't using your air conditioner, that would be fine. So the other site here, hang on a second. So this is site 32. I'm just going to swing around here. This is a tent site, which is really kind of cool. So right here you park, you walk up, and it's a little ways up, not too bad, is where you would pitch your tent up on the top. So that's actually pretty cool if you're a tenter. Neat, a little bit of privacy in there, so which is cool. We are just walking along the beach area sites. There's a few sites in here that would fit our size trailer. I did a review on that 2 years ago. I'll post it just up here for you to have a look at if you want. I know I definitely mentioned a couple sites in there, but anyways, check it out if you like. If not, then no problemo. So yeah, we're just gonna head back, get a fire going, and do some chilling, and get ready and pack up in the morning. Time to make some pie fries. We've got some bread, we butter it underneath. We got pizza sauce and some pepperonis. We're gonna make these on the fire. We're gonna make pizza pie fries. The kids love this. You can do different ones. Be creative. Kids will like the pizza ones. I bought the pie fry maker at Canadian Tire actually. So generally if you have a bunch of people, you want to maybe have 2 of them so you can get them going. Add some mozzarella cheese. And just like a grilled cheese, buttered side on the outside. So we got a hot bed of coals going in here. Got our pie fry maker. We'll do one at a time. Put her in there, slap this together. Alright, got the pie fry cooked. Hot off the fire. Pizza pie fry. That's really hot, gotta watch that. Just a fun nighttime thing to do with the kids and adults. Just cut it in half. Or in 4s for the kids. And they will love it. And it's fun. They get to watch you how to cook it and stuff. So there you go. One pizza pie fry. Another awesome time here at Murphy's Point. I had a great time. We are all packed up and getting ready to hit the road. So thanks for watching. You can smash that like button, or if you haven't subscribed, feel free to do so if you wish. I appreciate it. Helps my channel out a lot. So take care, and we'll see you on down the road. Cheers.